Hi, it's Alaska Granny. Get out your big Dutch oven or a great big saucepan. This is a very simple recipe for canned chicken chili that comes all from canned foods that you have in your prepper pantry. The nice thing about this recipe is it makes a lot, and it's a great recipe that you can also make when you're camping. Put it all into your big cast iron Dutch oven and cook it right in the fire pit. It just needs to be combined and heated through. To make this easy pantry clean out canned chicken chili, you need 1 large or 2 small cans of chicken, a can of diced or stewed tomatoes, a can of chopped green chilies, a can of corn with bell peppers, 2 cans of ranch style beans, and depending on how moist you like it, you may want to add a can of chicken broth. Then add 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and cumin. I used about a half a can of the chicken broth, and this is about as liquidy as I like it, so it's up to you to add more or less. The chicken broth can be optional, depending if you like it more stew-like instead of soup-like. Look at all those delicious ingredients. Doesn't that look great? There's so many different textures and flavors. It's an easy recipe. It helps you use up and rotate your canned foods and make a pantry clean-out recipe that's cheap, fast-filling, and delicious. You can serve canned chicken chili with rice, cornbread, corn chips, top it with cheese, onions, whatever your flavors are that you enjoy. If you like my video, I hope you'll share it with someone else you think might enjoy it. Learn more at alaskagranny.com, and please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel.